Good afternoon, everyone. Protoy, Rokshit. Raj Singh. Political Banerjee. Next, Shahrika Modi. Shahrika Modi, Spridha Kanjana. Spridha Kanjana. Shubham Kumar. Shobhit Chatterjee. Shobhit Chatterjee. Swastika Mandal. Trisha. Uttam Sharma. Vivek Jain. Shangvam Sharma. Okay. So we have completed our practical theory, all the portions. Today I will discuss something about our practical portion, okay? How to write and how to arrange your practical copy. Okay, so everyone, first collect your laboratory notebook from your school. What we will today, ma'am? Today we will revise our practical portion. Sangam, you can join me. So then first you collect your laboratory notebook from your school. I think you have already done. Next, the first page, from the first page you just write your name or anything, and there must be an index must be present. you give your experiment number 1, then write down the M. M means the name of the practical, the preparation of the onion peels, the preparation of the human chick cell. I think 1, 2, 3 experiment 3, because the most of the plant cells and animal cells you can divide it into 3, 4, you can divide already joint in together, no problem. Okay, yes, you should mention the date, must, not should, must mention the date. See my video in the YouTube previous, and on which date I will do which practical, I can remember. You just saw that and write down your date. I will never help you at that moment. Just first page index, there is name, roll number, class, section, roll number, and give your topic of the practical and date. Give the number, serial number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then give the number, and there is the date, and there will be the signature. That is my part. Okay, next, then first one, experiment number 1, to prepare the stain. First one, experiment number 1, M, to prepare stain temporary mounds of onion peel. Okay, so next page, from experiment number 1, what point you should mention? First, give the date on your line page on the left of the corner. Okay, right corner, sorry, there must be page number and date. There must be a box, I thought, page number and date. You mention that page number and date. Okay, must be, remember that page number and date you should give that, and must give that. And next, you write down the experiment number 1. Next, M, write down the name of the practical. M means the write down the name of the practical. Then materials required, you should mention that point. Certificate portion, you never nothing do that, you just write down. If there is some blank spaces, you can do that, otherwise I will fill that. If that was your portion, you can fill that portion, and which part is mine, you just left that portion. M. Next, then ma'am, you should write the date in the index portion also. Yes, just name of the practical, then there will be a column of the date, you just mention the date on that column. Materials required, next point, procedure, next point, observation, next point, result, next point, precaution. Okay, just check your copy, you have to put that point. Okay, M, materials required. M means the name of the practical. Materials required means what is the materials, what is the things you should require to complete that practical. Procedure, how could you complete that practical. Observation, what you have seen in this portion. Result, what is the result after completing the practical. And then the precaution, what measure you should be taken during this practical. Okay, only draw the picture in the white portion, and you should label at least 2 to 3. Okay, you can more than 2 to 3, but at least 2 to 3 point you must mention in each and every pictures. Okay, and always write down your practical notebook in blue and black pen. You just try to give your heading portion and your point portion in black, and try to write down your main portion, the writing portion, in blue pen. If you already have done in the black pen, so no need to require that. But who does not start to write the practical, Just try to give your heading and the points in black and write down the main portion or the practical portion, writing portion in the blue pen, okay? And never forget to give the date. I will check that. I have already done that. What is the date and which practical? I will check that. And everyone try to keep your laboratory notebook neat and clean. Don't give any type of design, don't give any type of colors, anything. Just simply cover your practical, write down your name, roll number, class and section. Neat and clean, and inside page nothing to do that. Only blue and black pen in the line pages and only the diagram in the pencils. Mention 2 and 3 points. At least 2 and 3 points. You can do the more, not only one point, and always write down the name of the pictures under the pictures. Or you can give the top also, but try to write down the what is the pictures, that is cell, that is mitochondria. This give the name of the pictures. You can paste nameplate, no problem, but try to write down in your hand, and always write down in the pencil, not in the pen. That pictures you drawing the cells and you just write down the name in the pen. Never. In this page you don't touch the pen. In this page never touch the pen. In this page, the white pages, only pencils, okay? No sticker, never, Vivek, nothing. You can paste nameplate, okay, in front page you can say that, in front page you can do that. In the front page, just neat and clean, you can try, yes, okay, Vivek. In front page you can, obviously you can print your name, you can paste that, anything you can do that, but you should just neat and clean. And inside only blue and black pen, mention the date, write the name of the practical very clearly, give your diagram clearly, and mention 2 or 3 points, okay? I don't know where your practical should be done or not, but if it is required the practical examination, I can also ask you some question. There may be some oral portion also obviously occurred, okay? So which type of question will come from that? So practical, just name the practical, the temporary mount of the onion peel and epithelial cells. In this practical, this point must be mentioned, but the others, because there is no procedure is present, so you just mention the characters, the cells, the animal cells and plant cells. You just write down the points. Experiment number 3 and 4, 1 and 2, you can say that onion peels and human chick cell, you can write down in this manner. And in the case of the experiment number 3, 4, or you can say that experiment number 3, where the identify the parenchyma, sclerenchyma and parenchyma scale, and the plant tissue, that is, and animal tissue, that is striated muscles, smooth muscles, nerve muscles, cardiac muscles, you can write down in the other portions. You just only mention the point M in the M. Next one, materials required. Next, procedure. Next, observation. All the mentions, all the points are mentioned, okay? Observation, results and precautions, all mentioned. Procedure means there is how could you observe that material, okay? Result in the both cases, and precaution. Okay. No, change your page, I will not never sign. Vivek, what are you doing? You can write down, cut your small paper, write down the name in pencil and just stick that place, just overlap these pages, okay? Only that part, the naming part, you just write down in a small pages in the pencil, and where you have using the pen, you just cover this by this, either by the white pages or whatever you have written in the pencil, and stripe on that, okay? Stick on that. Yes, precautions are same. Only one point is that is there is the human cheek cell. Precaution only one point is all are same. Only one point, that is the rising of the mouth. The last point, rising of the mouth must be done so that scrap does not contain food particles. This point present in the cheek cell, not in the human onion cell, okay? No, don't be worried, Babu. There is some solution also. Whatever you have done, no problem. Which portion you have done already, you just type white pages or write down in the pencil. Okay, so this one is your practical portion. You just done that in your home. I think there must be a date you have given already, or the school will inform you about the date when you will submit your practical copy, okay? Just prepared, everyone. Very soon your date will come. So if there will be the oral portion, which type of question will come from that portion? What is cell? Anyone? I can say that because that is related to the plant cell and animal cell. What is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of the all living organisms or all living things, okay? What is cell? What are the difference between the plant cell and animal cell? This type of question will ask in your practical examination for the oral portion, okay? What is cell? What are the difference between plant cell and animal cell? Basic building blocks of the living things. Yes. Why we are not able to observe various cell organelles in our experiment? Why we are not, all cell organelles you cannot see under the microscope? Why? Anyone can give the answer? Why we cannot see all the cell organelles under the microscope or temporary mounting? Because why we cannot see all the cell organelles in our experiment? Because methylene blue, the stain cannot stain the lysosome, mitochondria, this type of. No, the cells is the small organelles. You can see under microscope any type of minor. Micro means you cannot see. Micro means what is the 0.00 micrometer you can see under the microscope. Methylene blue never stain all the cell organelles. Lysosome, mitochondria, remind that lysosome, mitochondria never stained by the methylene blue. So that's why you cannot never see the lysosome and mitochondria in temporary mounting. Permanent you can see that, okay? Why we are not able to see, why we are not able to see various cell organelles in our experiment. Number 4, why glycerin is used for the temporary mounting? Anyone? Why glycerin is used for the temporary mounting? Glycerin preventing the drying of the cell that capture the moisture. If you don't use the glycerin, the cell will be shrink because the water portion that will be evaporated. Okay, so it is preventing the drying of the cell because it is hygroscopic nature. Okay, oh, no, you don't know that, but you just say that glycerin preventing the drying of the cell because it captured the moisture or water portion of the cell. So that's why you can use the glycerin for the temporary mounting. Okay, are vacuoles present in animal cell? Vacuoles are present in animal cell or not? Yes, but very small in size. In plant cell there is a big vacuole is present. What is the shape of the onion peels? What is the shape of the onion peel cell? Plant cell. So what will be the structure of the plant cell? Obviously polygonal in structure. They have hexagonal, they have pentagonal structure, that is polygonal in structure. দেখেছি পুরোটা কমপ্লিট হয়নি, নেবে না যা হবে না। They are polygonal in structures, but animal cell they have different structures. What is staining done prior to mounting? Why staining done prior to mounting? Why staining is done previous to mounting? The cell organelles take up stain and become colored, clear and prominent, hence they become visible under the microscope. This is the stain. Without stain you cannot see any single cell under the microscope. So that's why the staining is done regarding to the mounting. For mounting means after the staining the stain cells. Okay, so staining is done for the mounting. Okay, to see clearly visible under the microscope. What is the shape of the cheek epithelial cell? What is the shape of the cheek epithelial cell? You have seen already under the microscope. You have drawn the pictures. So what is the structure? You have written their characteristics. What is the structure or what is the shape of the cheek epithelial cells? Anyone? What is the structure of the cheek epithelial? What are you doing? Anyone? Flat polygonal cells. Circular. Who is this? Vivek? Name some stain used to prepare temporary mounts. Give the example of some stain or name the some stain for the mounting or for staining. Give the name of the some stain for mounting or staining. Methine blue, safranin, acetocarmine. Different types of stain. Safranin, Number 2, hemitoxylin, acetocarmine, methylene blue. পুরোটা হয়নি, ঠিক আছে, ভুল কিছু নেই, সাইন করতে হবে। কি হলো স্যার? ওটা আমি করতেই পারছি না। এক সেকেন্ড, 1 মিনিট দাঁড়ান, একবার দেখে নিই। টেন্ডন্স কানেক্ট muscle to bone, heart is the conduct of the interior portion of the blood flow into the lymphocytes of the bone. Skin is a type of epithelial tissue. An organ which packaging different products occurs in the body. Page 5 check. Total complete. এটা কে করেছে এরকম প্র্যাকটিস ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডটা? আমি জানি না, এটা ওখান থেকে মনে হচ্ছে প্রোগ্রাম করতেই পারছি না স্যার। এটা কেটে দিন রেকর্ডিংটা। Okay, this is up to for the today. I will continue my rest of the part in my next video. Bye everyone.